G'day, it's the Lawn Expert here. Just another video. I want to show you some weeds that we see a lot of in early spring, late winter, early spring, and it's called onion grass. And another name for onion grass is Guildford grass. It's the same family as onion weed. And the reason why I want to show you this weed is that it's easily treated. It's easily treated by Destiny Herbicide or Destiny Herbicide, which is made by Bayer. And I'll show you information about Destiny in the description box below. Okay, let's go and have a look at this onion grass or Guildford grass. Okay, I'll show you now. Okay, we'll have a look in this lawn here. This lawn here is just in the neighbourhood where I'm working, but if we zoom in closer, and you can see the really stringy, wiry type weed, that is onion grass. And the best herbicide to get rid of onion grass in buffalo, coot, kikuyu, except for ryegrass and Queensland blue coot, is Destiny Herbicide made by Bayer.